To make a new Google drawing, click on New, More, and Google Drawings. To add a shape on a Google drawing, I click on the Shape button here, and I can select various things. I'm going to start with a circle. So I drag, open the circle, and try and make it as round as I can. Now usually the default when you start is this color, and it comes with a border. So I'm going to change that. I want my border to be transparent, so it's different. And I'm going to change the color to this red here. I'm going to take another shape, this time a triangle, and I'm going to make a small triangle here and do the same thing. Make the borders transparent and change the color like that. Now I can resize this triangle, squish it up. I can squish it that way, stretch it that way, do all sorts of different things with this triangle. But I'm going to move it and I'm going to put it here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rectangle and make a really long, thin rectangle and get rid of the borders and make it black. And I don't want this to go completely straight, so this little dot here I can use to rotate the shape. And it tells me the degrees on the end, which is covered a bit by the cursor. And I'm going to put it here. Now, if you might notice right now, this kind of looks like a balloon, and I want to make it look like a balloon. But we have this black bit is on top of the triangle. And what I want to do is I'm going to click on this shape, and I'm going to do Arrange, Order, Send to Back. So now it is at the back, which is the bottom, and I can now see my balloon as I want it to look like. So if I want to move this balloon, I can select everything, and I can move it as a group. Or I can arrange it and just group it so that I don't have to select it anymore.